Welcome to the Rhythm Maze. I'm Daniel Pacillo and I'll be your guide through the maze of 22 rhythms. So today is lesson 5 and we're going to talk about the single stroke roll. So the new thing we're going to add here is 16th notes plus 32nd notes. Now 32nd notes sounds really scary at first, but if you slow everything down, it's not scary at all. So here's 1/16th note, 1. Now here's a 32nd note, 1. Notice how I filled in the space with my left hand. So if I play a beat of 16th notes, so I have 1 E and A. Now on 2 E and A, I'm going to double that speed. 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A, 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A, 1. That's a great exercise to practice just to get in your head how to double the speeds. So from 16th notes to 32nd notes. Again, 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A, 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A, 1. As you can notice, my right hand always played on everything I was counting, and my left hand was kind of sneaking in there. The first exercise what I like to do is play the last bar of the rhythm maze and the first bar of the rhythm maze, because the last bar is actually be 16th notes and the first bar is 32nd notes. Sounds a little bit confusing, but when you see me play this in the rhythm maze, it'll make a little bit more sense. So now I'm going to play 16th notes and 32nd notes, constantly using right, left, right, left. 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A, 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A, 1. A single stroke roll, again, is right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. It's a roll. It's something that's going to be going constant. You can also start with your left, but we're going to get into that when we kind of get closer to the rhythm maze. So the next thing I want to talk about is playing 3 accents with 1 32nd note in there. So the way that's going to sound is this. 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A, 1. Notice how every time I get to the I play the 32nd note and my hands alternate to the left hand to start. 1 E and left E and right E and left E and right. So that's a great exercise to start leading with your right and leading with your left. Now when I go into 2 accents, there's going to just stay on the right hand. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1. Now I'm going to get into single stroke roughs, which are just 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1. Again, these exercises are helping us to lead with the right and lead with the left. Kind of like a horse galloping. Next is I'm going to play groups of 3 using 16th notes and 32nd notes. So I have 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and notice that was actually in 3/4. Sorry, I forgot to explain that. Because it's a grouping of 3, it's just easier to resolve if you played in 3/4, meaning that there's 3 beats in a bar. I'll play it again just a little bit slower. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 1. Now I'm going to play 1 accent and it's going to sound like this. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1. So these exercises are very good to start understanding leading with your right hand, leading with your left hand, and you're constantly playing right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now, sometimes you might end a 16th note with your right and start the 32nd note with your left, and this is why I love this exercise. It really helps strengthening your right hand and your left hand. Now, what happens on bar 14 is I actually omit the first accent, and the reason why, it kind of switches the whole thing so I can come back and start the exercise exercise with my left hand leading. So watch this. If I play just bar 14 and onward, I have this. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and so on and so on. What's happening is I'm constantly still leading with my right hand. Now watch what happens if I omit the first accent of bar 14. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1. Notice how on the numbers my left hand started playing. I'll show you that again. 1 E and 2 E and 3. So when I get to the last bar of the rhythm maze, I'm actually going to be leading with my left. So the rules for the rhythm maze is as follows. Every time you see a dot, they're going to be played as 30-second notes, right, left, or left, right. Every time you see an accent, it's going to be a 16th note, either right or left. Again, I'm going to play the last measure and then the first measure. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1. It might be a little bit confusing, so if you want, throw some questions in the comment section and I'll try to answer it as best as I can. So follow me through the rhythm maze and see if you understand. And again, I'm going to be going through it twice, once with my right hand leading and then once with my left hand leading, because I'm omitting the accent on bar 14. I'm not playing that first accent, and that's going to help switch the whole thing. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1. 3 E. Left hand lead. Okay, now we went through the rhythm maze. My favorite part is to try to improvise again on these ideas. So home base for me is actually 30-second notes. 1 E and 2 E and that's home base for me. The non-accents, the dots, that's home base. And then anytime I have an idea, I'm thinking kind of accents, either a 16th note right or a 16th note left. Just for example, I'm just gonna mess around for a second. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1. Well, there you have it, lesson 5, single stroke roll. I hope you enjoyed that one. I'll see you again for lesson 6, where we're gonna be talking about the double stroke roll. See you then.